Hello guys, in this new video let's see how to make slow-mo or fast video in a professional way like this. If you like this, please consider subscribing and leave a thumbs up. Now into content. This app is called NEFFEX, used by pros to make great video. Link in description. Now this app has many options. Click on slow-mo and fast. This top right option. Select your favorite video from your gallery. First you will be given an option called cut, so you can cut the video and use it. After finishing cutting, press next, and this is interesting part. Watch full process. You can use both fast and slow-mo. Just click on fast and adjust it accordingly.
Till the sunrise, we were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never run. We hook up in my car, driving so far, play
you cannot choose one effect over the another one. It pops a message like this.
Think with our hearts, stare at the stars, we were never apart.
Now I am adding slow-mo to my clip and adjusting it. Like this you can keep many slow-mos or fast you like, which is dope. This is the easiest way to do video editing and have high quality. After previewing video, press next and continue editing. This app still has many features which can be used by you, which are great. Thank you for watching. This is not end.
Yeah. Bring you up. Yeah, come on.
특별했던 나를 와바뀌게 한 건 너. 나를 거울 앞에서